Today we're checking out the Barricade Saber 5-inch side step bars in fine texture black for the 2024 and newer Tacoma Double Cab. If you want to make getting in and out of your Tacoma easier while also adding some side protection and a tougher look to the side profile, this is a really well-rounded upgrade. It gives the Tacoma everyday function while also helping it look a little more rugged and finished down the sides, so it's definitely worth considering. These side step bars are all about giving you a solid and usable step for easy entry into the double cab. The 5-inch wide design is going to be a big part of the appeal here because they give you a lot more stepping space than a smaller bar, which is especially helpful on a taller truck or one that sees family duty with kids hopping in and out. They also double as side protection, so they're gonna help guard the lower body from road and trail hazards, along with those annoying parking lot door dings. The rugged non-slip step pads are another smart detail here because they make these bars feel more useful in real-world conditions when it gets wet, muddy, or dusty. The fine texture black finish also helps give the Tacoma a more aggressive and more finished side profile. So this is not just about function, it actually gives you a style upgrade along the way. Since these come as a pair for both sides of the truck and it's a direct bolt-on design, this is a really practical way to add both convenience and a tougher look without getting into a complicated install. And if you stick with me, we'll show you that install just here in a minute. When it comes to the construction on this, you are getting heavy duty aluminum construction with that fine texture black powder coat finish that we mentioned, along with the rugged non-slip step pads. That aluminum build is a nice advantage because it gives you strong everyday durability while keeping the bars lighter than a big steel setup. The texture black finish also fits the Tacoma really nicely and helps carry that off-road inspired style down the whole side profile of the truck. As far as the pricing goes on this, it's coming in right in the mid $300 price range. That feels very fair in my opinion for a full pair of wide aluminum step bars because you're getting that easier entry, non-slip stepping surfaces, and added side protection all in one package. It's a solid option for somebody who wants more than a basic step without going all the way into a heavy duty rocker slider or power step setups that can go into the thousands of dollars. When it comes to the install on this one, it's gonna get rated a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter since it's a direct fit install using those factory mounting locations. And you can have this job done in 2 hours of your time or maybe even less if everything goes smooth. So let's head on out to the shop. We're gonna give you a detailed walkthrough of exactly how this install process goes.
For this install, you need a 3/8 ratchet, a 12 and a 13 millimeter socket, along with an extension. Today we're going to be installing side steps on our Tacoma, so let's get started.
Now if you have these 2 bolts on your factory setup, you can remove this using the 12 millimeter socket because we're going to be utilizing these same holes in the body. Once we have that out, we can set that aside. All right, now we can attach our brackets. Just a quick note, all of these brackets are labeled. We are working on the driver's side front, so we're gonna be starting off with this one. All right, utilizing our factory body holes, we can get our bracket lined up. And we're going to go in with the provided hardware, a bolt, flat washer, and a lock washer. Let that sit there for a second and thread in our bottom hole. And now we can tighten this down using a 13 millimeter socket and an extension. Once you have those 2 bolts in and your driver's front bracket on, we can now repeat for the center and the rear bracket and repeat the entire process for the other side.
All right, now that we have all of our brackets installed, we have a couple bolts and hardware pieces that we're going to have to install on the bottom of the side step. So we're going to flip this over, and again with this being the front, the shorter portion where the actual pad is, I'm going to flip this over. We have a couple inserts that we're going to slide some T-bolts into this rail. All right, we're going to go in with our T-bolts on both of these slots. We'll just slide it in and move that down, and same thing with the bottom one. And for each of these, we're going to get 3 of those T-bolts in. 2 and 3, and the same thing on the bottom. Once we have these in, we can line these up to the bracket on the vehicle. Since it will be a little bit hard to see underneath, I'm going to show you how to set up the hardware. So we're going to go with a flat washer and a lock washer and our locking nut. Now again, this is just for demonstration. Our bracket will be going in between the bolt and the hardware and the bottom of the side step. Now we can lift our side step and put it in place. Once it's on there, we can slide our T-bolts, lift up, and now we can get a lock nut started on there so we can hold it in place. Now again, we're going to go in with our flat washer and our lock washer, and then holding that in place, we can thread on our locking nut. And the same thing for the bottom one. Now before tightening this, you can slide it back and forth and make adjustments to get everything lined up. Once you have everything lined up, you can now tighten these two down using a 13mm socket. Once these two are tight, you can now repeat for the front bracket and the rear bracket. All right, once you have your side step on and everything tightened down, you can now repeat for the remaining side.
All right, that wraps up our review and install of the Barricade Saber 5-inch side step bars in fine texture black for the 2024 and newer Tacoma Double Cab. And for all things Tacoma, keep it right here at Extreme Terrain.